Hello, this is the Isolation Cooking Club and I'm Simon Brown, and together in easy steps we're going to get you cooking. This video explains why preheating the oven before you put the food in gives you better baking. It's tempting when you're in a rush to just put the food straight into a cold oven and then turn it on. But that can actually spoil the result and you'll have no idea how long it's actually going to take. It's better if you can preheat the oven because, first of all, the recipe will actually work and you'll know the cooking time, so you can plan ahead and you'll know when you're going to be serving the food. It's also going to save you time because as soon as the food goes into the oven, it will start to cook immediately. And if there's a raising agent in the food, bread, cakes, biscuits, that'll start to work immediately too. And the food will cook more evenly and it won't tend to dry out so much on the outside because it needs to spend less cooking time in the oven. And of course, the results will be consistent, so you'll know you can make the same recipe just as well again and again. So before you begin preparing anything, all you need to do is turn on the oven and set it to the temperature in your recipe about 20 minutes before you need to start cooking any food. Remember to use the temperature stated for a fan oven if you have a large fan in the back wall of the oven, because fan ovens operate at a slightly lower temperature than ordinary electric ovens. A light will come on the control panel when the oven is heating up. When the light goes off for the first time, the oven's ready to use. It'll come back on and off whilst you're cooking as the oven maintains the temperature you've set. Simple. The Isolation Cooking Club is about starting at the beginning, showing you how to do the basics in simple steps so that you really can cook for you and your family. If you've enjoyed this video, then please click like so that I know I'm covering what you need to know. See you next time.